Now it's time to celebrate the shining stars of MLS. Now I would like to call Faisal sir to felicitate our stars. I would like to call who got All India rank 3.
All India rank 3 or category rank 3?
No, it's All India rank 3 in Jamia and All India rank 6 in AMU, BLLB, the one and only Jannat Ali.
माना कि तेरी दीद के काबिल नहीं है हम, माना कि तेरी दीद के काबिल नहीं है हम, तू हमारा शौक देख, तू हमारा इंतजार देख.
Round of applause, Jannat Ali.
I would like to call Sharik Imam, who secured All India rank 8 in AMU and All India rank 20 in Jamia BLL.
I would like to call Zoya Alam on stage, who secured All India rank 93 in AMU and All India rank 13 in Jamia BLLB.
I would like to call Humam Asfar, who secured All India rank 23 in AMU and rank 6 in Muslim category in Jamia BLLB.
I would like to call Arslan Farooq on stage, who secured first rank in Jammu and Kashmir category in Jamia and All India rank 29 in AMU BLLB.
I would like to call Ania Khan, who secured All India rank 15 in AMU and rank 5 in Jamia Muslim self-finance category.
I would like to call Hussain Zidan Fayyad on stage, who secured All India rank 22 in Jamia and All India rank 28 in AMU BLLB.
I would like to call Arman Qureshi, who secured All India rank 11 in AMU BLLB.
I would like to call Maria Noor, who secured first rank in Muslim women category in Jamia and All India rank 33 in AMU BLLB.
I would like to call Jubaria Qureshi, who secured All India rank 24 in Jamia BLLB.
I would like to call Muhammad Bilal on stage, who secured All India rank 33 in AMU BLLB.
Now I would like to call Abhinav, who secured All India rank 15 in Jamia BLLB.
I would like to call Muhammad Amir on stage, who secured 4th rank in OBC category regular in Jamia BLLB.
I would like to call Aman Nawab, who secured All India rank 51 in AMU BLLB.
I would like to call Shafia Nadeem on stage, who secured 2nd rank in Muslim women category in Jamia BLLB.
I would like to call Muhammad Kamran, who secured rank 2 in Jamia BLLB in Muslim OBC category.
I would like to call Nimisha, who secured regular seat in Jamia BLLB.
I would like to call Mohammad Shaib Rahmani, who secured rank 6 in Muslim self-finance category in Jamia BLLB.
I would like to call Adib Ahmed Khan, who secured 8th rank in Muslim self-finance in Jamia BLLB.
I would like to call Chandan Srivastav, who secured rank 8